We have seen it. Now you have also seen. Sometimes in season there's so much mango supply that they rot on the ground. Nobody cares to take it. So the supply is not in your hand. You cannot supply by factory. You can manufacture bolts and nuts, not rice or dal or ghee or mango or fruits. So supply is eko jo bahunam vidudhati kama. What is the difference between God and ourselves? We are also living entities. God is also living entity. Nitya Nityana. I have several times explained this. This is a Krishna. What is the difference of Krishna? You have got 2 hands, I have got 2 hands. He has got 2 hands. He has 2 legs, you have got 2 legs. So the appearance, Krishna is equal or in quality. But the difference is that he maintains everyone and you are maintained. You are not maintainer. You cannot maintain even your family. What to speak of maintain everyone. But God maintains everyone. Eko jo bahunam means many, unlimited. Unlimited number of living entities are there. There are millions of elephants in Africa. He is maintaining. At a time, the elephant eats about 40 kilograms. Who is supplying food? He is eating. The small fish in the ocean, he is also eating. A small ant within the hole of your room, you are not supplying any food, but there, they have got their family, their friends and everything. Sometimes they come out in hundreds. Who is maintaining? Therefore, eko jo bahunam vidade. Krishna is maintaining, God is maintaining.